Welcome to a special question and answer session with Dr. Rodrigo Rodriguez at BioCare Hospital and Wellness Center in Tijuana, Mexico. I am Lindsey Williams. For a free consultation, you heard me correctly. I know you don't get that in other parts of the world, but for a free consultation with a doctor at BioCare Hospital, call the toll-free number right into the hospital in Tijuana, Mexico, 800-262-0212. And when you call, ask for their 60-page booklet, which will be sent to you free of charge. Dr. Rodriguez, at BioCare Hospital, I hear the term integrative medicine. Would you please explain what is meant by the expression integrative medicine?
BioCare is, and I really feel it, we are unique in many ways and for many reasons. And probably the most important is the responsibility with which we do our work. The years, the hours, the travel, the scientific relations that we have created over decades. And that has helped us to integrate what's good from different ways of doing medicine. That is what's called integrative medicine. I agree with many therapies that are conventionally done. I don't have anything against it. But then you turn around and you say, but you're not giving bed rest, you're not doing detoxification, you're not doing toxic avoidance, you're not doing good food, you're not doing a lot of things. So what the person is going to do is probably feel better, but what brought you here is going to get you back again into trouble. So you have to integrate. You have to review the whole situation of the patient. You have to teach people how to handle themselves. And then you have the need of a staff. I'm very proud of my staff. Why? Because you need a staff that has two big things. One, a big heart, and the other one is a big brain. Because skill and compassion have to go together. You cannot do one without the other. We need people that understand you, that will pray with you, that will cry with you, that will understand you. But at the same time, people that are going to go and do a procedure and do it in an accurate, precise way, because they have the training, because they have the brains to do it. Those things are very important. And another thing that makes this hospital unique is that you're going to be dealing with the people that run the business. You're not going to be having a hospital here with a corporate stockholder situation somewhere else. Here, we are the people that run the hospital. We are the people that make all the decisions. We are the people that implement what has to be implemented. We are the people that are going to be looking after you from the minute you pick up that phone to the minute you go home and continue your future follow-up. So from the minute you call us, we're going to be taking care of you. We're going to be reviewing your situation, your medical records, your feelings, your everything. We're going to see that you have a safe trip. We're going to have somebody waiting for you at the airport, helping you with your suitcases, bringing you to the hospital, giving you good information along the way, and we are going to be waiting for you, open arms, with your room ready. And once again, the minute you enter, the minute we start, we're going to be drawing blood, we're going to be planning things. So in 24 hours, you're going to have a lot of the answers and a lot of the good plans of how you can work. So Believe me, we are a group that's very devoted to implement in an integrative way everything we think is going to be useful for you, and we're going to discuss it with you. We believe you have the say-so in everything we decide, and with that, together, we have had a lot of successful cases. So trust me, make that call, stay in contact. You lose nothing if you decide not to come. You might have had a good answer to your question or even made a friend.